Hello friends, my name is Aman Rameshwale from FIMCA and today I will be presenting on topic that not only crucial for data scientists but also for anyone dealing with information, and that is data visualization in Python. This presentation will introduce you to the importance of visualizing data, popular libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn, and some best practices to make your visualization both beautiful and informative. Let's begin by understanding what data visualization actually is. Data visualization is the art and science of turning raw numbers and statistics into something visual, something we can see and understand at a glance. This can be anything from a simple bar chart to complex dashboard. In the world of data analysis, visuals are essentials. They allow us to identify trends and patterns, compare variables, detect outliers, and most important, tell a story with data. Now, why Python? Python has become the dominant language for data visualization. This is due to its simplicity, flexibility, and wide range of visualization libraries that make it easy to create powerful visuals. Two of the most widely used libraries for this purpose are Matplotlib, known for its versatility, Seaborn, which build on Matplotlib and makes beautiful informative plots with fewer lines of code. Throughout this presentation, we will look at what makes these libraries powerful and how to use them effectively. Matplotlib. First up, talk about Matplotlib. Matplotlib is one of the earliest and most foundational Python libraries for plotting. Think of it as the Python version of Microsoft Excel chart tools, but far more flexible and customizable. With just few lines of code, you can create line plot, bar graph, histogram, scatter plot, pie chart, and much more. You can control every part of the plot from colors to grid lines to font size. This level of detail makes Matplotlib the backbone of most data visualization in Python. Line plot. Let's talk about creating line chart with Matplotlib. Start with plt.plot to draw your data, then customize it, change styles, color and markers to make it pop. Don't forget to label your chart with titles, axis name and legends for clarity. Line charts are great for showing trends. For example, Netflix stock rose 38% as of July. In this example, we use the Matplotlib library to create a basic line chart. We start by importing pyplot from Matplotlib. Then we define two lists, one of the x-axis value and one for the y-axis value. Plt.plotxy draws the line chart by connecting the data points. We give our plot a title and label, both axes to provide context. Finally, plt.show renders the plot. Line plots are ideal when visualizing continuous data like stock prices, temperature, or sales across time. Let's look at how to create a bar chart using Matplotlib. To start, use plt.bar to plot vertical bars perfect for comparing categories like electronics, home goods, and books. Next, customize your bar by adjusting the colors with an overall style to make the chart more engaging. You can also add error bar to represent variability or uncertainty in your data, which is useful for visualizing real-world data functionalities. In this case, we display the popularity of different programming languages. After importing matplotlib.pyplot, we create two lists, language and their corresponding popularity values. Plt.bar creates vertical bars and we use the color parameter to make the chart visually appealing. The chart is labeled with the title and axis label to help the viewer understand what the chart represents. Bar charts are useful when dealing with discrete categories and you want to highlight difference clearly. Next, let's look at Seaborn, a high-level data visualization library built on top of Matplotlib. Seaborn makes it easier to generate beautiful and complex plots with very little code. It is especially great for statistical data visualization and works well the pandas data frame. Seaborns also have support heat map, box plot, violin plot, pair plot, regression plot. Plus, it uses color palettes that are more visually appealing by default, greater for presentation and reports. Now let's explore scatterplot using Seaborn. Starts with sns.scatterplot to create your data points. This is the foundation of your plot. Then add a regression line using sns.regplot to highlight trends or correlation within the data. Next, categorize by using different colors and markers to distinguish between groups or categories. This adds clarity and depth. Scatter plots are incredibly effective in spotting patterns. Here we use Seaborn, which is built on top of Matplotlib and provides beautiful statistics plot. We load the built-in tips dataset, which contains information about restaurant bills and tips. SNS.scatterplot each customer total bills against the tip they give. Each point of the plot represents a single observation. This visualization helps identify patterns such as whether higher bill results in higher tips. Scatter plots are frequently used in regression analysis and to identify correlation. Let's look at how to make a pie chart with Matplotlib. Starts with plt.py to plot the chart. Then customize it by changing slice color and adding labels. You can also enhance the chart with a title and by adjusting the aspect ratio. The pie chart is familiar and effectively way to show parts of whole. Again, using the tips dataset, we count how many customers were male or female using value counts. plt.py creates a circular chart. We use labels to show the gender, the autopicity parameters displays the percentage value, the color parameter adds visual distance, and the triangle rotates the pie for better orientation. The axis equal can ensure the charts appears as perfect circle. Pie charts are greater for showing proportion like market share, demographics, and survey results. Best practices for data visualization. Now that we know what the tool to use, let's discuss how to use them effectively. Great visuals are not just about plotting data, they are about communicating clearly. Here are some best practices to follow. Chart type, choose wisely. Use a chart type that best represents your data. Avoid clusters, keep it simple. Use color thoughtfully. Be accurate, label everything. Ensures accessibility. Thinks about people with color blindness. Avoid green, red combinations and ensures the visual are liable even in black and white print. Real world applications. Let me also mention where this is used in real world. Is business in business analytics, dashboard tracks key performance indicator. In healthcare, patient data is visualized to track treatments and diagnosis. In finance, data visualization helps analyze market trends. In education, it is used to present student performance and metrics, and in social media to track engagement, reach, and growth. And that brings us to the end of the presentation. To summarize, data visualization is essential in data-driven world. Python through Matplotlib and Seaborn offers powerful tools for this purpose. Following best practices ensures you are visual and not just attractive but effective. Thank you all for your attention. If you all have any questions, I will be happy to answer them now. Thank you.